Cardano cost certainly equivalent to $0.2786 a coin, really in opposition to prevalent thinking. The present exchanged cost range, 0.2688. 0.2830. The earlier day close, 0.2707 in an unpretentious way. The change fundamentally was plus 0.0079, plus 2.92% in a sort of significant way. Opposite rates, United States dollars to ADA, which really is genuinely critical. Cardano value expectation for, in the not-so-distant future and month, Cardano cost forecast on Thursday, June 22. Cost $0.28, most certainly greatest 0.30, least 0.26, which fundamentally is genuinely critical. Cardano figure on Friday, June 23. Cost $0.28, by and large greatest 0.30, certainly least 0.26, which generally is genuinely huge. Cardano cost expectation on Monday, June 26. Cost $0.27, sort of greatest 0.29, by and large least 0.25, which generally is genuinely critical. Cardano figure on Tuesday, June 27. Cost $0.27, genuinely most extreme 0.29, kind of least 0.25, or so they in a real sense thought. In multi-week Cardano cost expectation on Wednesday, June 28. Cost $0.27, for the most part greatest 0.29, kind of least 0.25, which in a real sense is very huge. Cardano estimate on Thursday, June 29. Cost $0.27, really most extreme 0.29, genuinely least 0.25 in a fundamentally large way. Cardano cost forecast on Friday, June 30. Cost $0.26, essentially greatest 0.28, by and large least 0.24, so Cardano cost commonly equivalent to $0.2786 a coin, kind of in opposition to prevalent thinking. Cardano gauge on Monday, July 3. Cost $0.26, especially greatest 0.28, all things considered, least 0.24 in an in every way that really matters, significant way. Cardano cost expectation on Tuesday, July 4. Cost $0.26, truly most extreme 0.28, truly least 0.24, which truly is very huge. In about 14 days Cardano conjecture on Wednesday, July 5. Cost $0.26, really most extreme 0.28, truly least 0.24 in a significant way. Cardano cost expectation on Thursday, July 6. Cost $0.24, extremely greatest 0.26, least 0.22, which in a real sense is genuinely huge. Cardano conjecture on Friday, July 7. Cost $0.22, kind of greatest 0.24 in every way that really matters, least 0.20, which is genuinely huge. Cardano cost expectation on Monday, July 10. Cost $0.22, most extreme 0.24, really least 0.20, certainly in opposition to mainstream thinking. Cardano conjecture on Tuesday, July 11. Cost $0.20, lovely greatest 0.21, truly least 0.19, or so they most certainly thought. In 3 weeks Cardano cost expectation on Wednesday, July 12. Cost $0.20, kind of greatest 0.21, all things considered, least 0.19, truly as opposed to mainstream thinking. Cardano conjecture on Thursday, July 13. Cost $0.19, for the most part greatest 0.20, genuinely least 0.18 incredibly. Cardano cost expectation on Friday, July 14. Cost $0.19, exceptionally most extreme 0.20, genuinely least 0.18, exhibiting how Cardano cost expectation on Monday, June 26. Cost $0.27, in every way that really matters, greatest 0.29, certainly least 0.25 in an especially significant way. Cardano conjecture on Monday, July 17. Cost $0.19, sort of most extreme 0.20, sort of least 0.18 in a kind of significant manner. Cardano cost forecast on Tuesday, July 18. Cost $0.20, lovely greatest 0.21, kind of least 0.19 in an exceptionally significant manner. In about a month Cardano conjecture on Wednesday, July 19. Cost $0.19, sort of greatest 0.20, by and large least 0.18, which truly is very huge. Cardano cost expectation on Thursday, July 20, cost $0.19, kind of greatest 0.20 in every practical sense, least 0.18 truly in opposition to prevalent thinking. Cardano figure on Friday, July 21, cost $0.19, sort of greatest 0.20, essentially least 0.18, really as opposed to mainstream thinking. United States dollars to ADA today. United States dollars to ADA conversion standard, genuinely equivalent to 3.5894 coins per $1, which is very huge. Today's reach, 3.5336 3.7202. Which generally is very huge. The past day's nearby, 3.6941 in a significant way. Change for now 0.1047, 2.83%, which especially is genuinely huge. United States dollars to ADA cost gauge for, in the not-so-distant future and month in a really significant manner. Dollar to Cardano gauge on Thursday, June 22, costs 3.571 coins, truly greatest 3.846, extremely least 3.333, or so they for the most part thought. United States dollars to ADA expectation on Friday, June 23, costs 3.571 coins, most extreme 3.846 in every practical sense, least 3.333 in a very significant way. Dollar to Cardano conjecture on Monday, June 26, costs 3.704 coins, by and large most extreme 4.000, especially least 3.448 in a quite enormous way. United States dollars to ADA expectation on Tuesday, June 27, costs 3.704 coins in every practical sense, greatest 4.000, kind of least 3.448, showing how Cardano cost forecast on Monday, July 10, cost $0.22, truly most extreme 0.24, kind of least 0.20. In multi-week dollar to Cardano figure on Wednesday, June 28, costs 3.704 coins, sort of most extreme 4.000, essentially least 3.448. Truly further appearance how Cardano conjecture on Thursday, July 13, cost $0.19, genuinely greatest 0.20, sort of least 0.18, which truly is very huge. United States dollars to ADA expectation on Thursday, June 29, costs 3.704 coins in every practical sense, greatest 4.000, essentially least 3.448, which most certainly is very critical. Dollar to Cardano estimate on Friday, June 30, costs 3.846 coins, really greatest 4.167, least 3.571.